these little mailboxes up. I do something right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, welcome to Tallahassee Galena Creek Narrow Gauge Railroad. The head of safety is beginning underway. Please remain seated. Those trains in motion. Keep your arms, head, legs, hands, and any other things. You can completely part of the train at all times. If you're carrying a firearm, please do not discharge the firearm while you're on the train. And you are smoking from this on this train. Stand by the door.
Be away by yourself. Because I'm going to get some people around first. I need you to They're smart. They were in the open field last year. This year they're in the shade.
Folks, I wouldn't worry, I'm sure our boys will dispatch this rebel scum in no time.
He's not gonna tell you where it's at. Are you? That's what I want to say. Search that tray. We got some. Put it down, boy. Search the tray.
Ma'am, are you hiding anything here?
Yes, sir.
Where the money? Come on, we don't want no dollars. Confederate bill. We've got jewelry.
This train and anything on it is not
Property of the Confederate States. Valuables.
Must be giving it up.
Valuables? No. Come on now. No value.
As long as it doesn't go on a lunch.
No water. Murphy.
I see a lot of women here with gold hair. Does that
What
count?
the heck is this?
You get back.
What is this?
You get
You're
back.
from Connecticut, Murphy. Why are
I'm
you?
not.
No. Why are you in gray? Why are you in gray?
Corporal, take this man out.
I know
Shoot,
this
you
guy.
got-
No, he is. No, he's a good neighbor of mine. He is a Yankee. I apologize.
Hey, people, the
He
name
is
is
a Yankee. He's from Connecticut.
He's
He's
deranged.
from Connecticut.
Tame this
sir.
man.
No, he is
Got it.
he is a union guy. He is from Connecticut. What? Murphy. Talk to me.
Right choice, son.
Shoot that man.
I want to bury him in one piece.
The banker doesn't know. I don't care.
We'll take a video.
Don't make me know. Never mind. Murphy, what's your mom going to say about this?
Hard back, Fred.
We got it. Murphy, what's your mom going to say about
Set it over here.
Anthony.
Bring it over here.
Just take the video.
I'm not taking a video, I'm taking a photo.
Hey, boys. Look what I got.
We got paid!
They got a gold.
Got new supplies. Now it's time to get them.
There's no gold bar. There's no gold bar. No gold bar.
Nothing to see here.
Everyone, check the tab. If they got any shoes you want, take them.
Civilians are getting robbed.
Take.
Oh, look, this one's got a bottle on it.
Hey, boys. We are great. You all
Now
can
that
keep
they
going.
can
Get out.
from the reenactors.
Everyone on the train.
They got the gold. Yeah, they got all the money off of the union.
Yeah, one we got to bury all these
Just
guys.
pretend. Just pretend. They do this show every time the train goes through, so it's only pretend.
I'll make you pay for this ticket on you.
Just pretend.
Awesome.
All the suffering they endured underneath. I'm in charge of life.
Dad? Tree two?
Yeah, now we go for another ride.
Good job.
I did the best I could for you.
Tree two?
We have empty benches here, sir. They're going to ride the train with us now.
Stay in your seat.
What, about a year and a half, too?
2.
Oh. That's when they get the best interest in things.
He loves trains and trucks.
Did you ride the other ones yet?
We will.
Not yet.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the choo choo.
Well, he used to love trains.
Yeah, I don't know.
It'll move.
Once the breeze stops, the bugs are out.
We're gonna move in a minute.
Choo choo. What?
Go for a ride? Want the train to move again? Tell them all aboard. And then they'll start the train again.
You say all aboard? Again? Again?
Yeah.
Again? No. Again?
You don't want to walk, you want to ride the train.
Choo choo?
No.
Choo choo? Say all aboard. No.
But that'll make the train go again.
There we go. There we go.
Say all aboard.
Say all aboard.
Vicky, now we're moving. She said all aboard.
Say bye-bye.
They're swelling up in the heat already.
Are they gonna cut them heads off?
Yeah, that's just little trains. Tracks across that way into the horn after so long.
I guess I'll get on the next kitty train when we get back.
I'll be gone for about an hour, but I don't want you straying too far from camp. I don't want you out there by yourself.
Out where?
Walking around. There are
Gigi, there's this thing called 911.
yeah, well, it's like the water in here is really stagnant, really smelly.
You're smelling the wrong thing. You're smelling the smell.
Now, to your right are some of the bridges from the other trains of 7.5 inch. Then on the side of ours, that was a main bridge where you were on the other.
What, does he not like this noise?
Just all the time, I guess. All done, yeah. Are you okay? You know?
Just, they're gonna do it like one or two more times.
This is our Cinderella weekend. Our next major event is the annual ski show on the Labor Season. Run for 4 days, Friday through Monday. We host one of the largest skiing contests in the Northeast. Tractor shows, tractor parades, we have all our stationary engines operating, we have demonstrations by individuals. It's something to come and see. We close for the month of September. We reopen. This is coming in on the August of noon. Then Central Time. We have been closed off from the and we open in December. In between this month.
ticket office and ask, what time that train pulls out.
We'll get off.
Weston Junction, watch your step.